What's going on, Steam It? It's T.E.O.T.W.A.W.K.I man here, and this is your first exclusive Steam It only video. So, what I'm going to go with, yeah, I'm in my car, just so you know. It's a little windy outside, so I can't do this one out there, which is, pretty awesome, because I'm in Nevada. It's 102 degrees outside, but it's windy, so awesome. Anyway, so I wrote an article, well, my first one that I wrote. I don't know how many of you guys actually saw it, but the first one I wrote was about using a straw as a waterproof container for small items. So I figure, maybe for my Steam It exclusives, the article's alright. Maybe I'll go back through and do a video on it too, just so you guys can kind of get an idea. And, I'll come up with some original stuff too that I didn't write. So, I usually do a video every day on the weekend. So, like I said, from now on, every video I do is going to have a Steam It exclusive video right underneath it just for you guys. So, let's get this thing going because I'm starting to sweat like a pig in here. So, straw. We're going to take our straw, and today we're going to put these little guys in there. These are Excedrin migraine pills, which could be important. You never know. So, I'm going to cut this down a little bit shorter. Not much, just a little bit. Alright, I'm going to take my pills, and I'm going to put 3 of them in here. Alright, there's that. They're inside, nice and tight. And then, I'm going to melt the end of it here. And then I'm probably going to burn my fingers a little bit, but there we go. Bam! Singe down that end. So now, I'm going to do the other end here. Ready? Bam! Cinch down. There you have it, folks. There is a straw waterproof container. Now, if you want to get, use multiples of these, just go ahead and take a little tiny fine point Sharpie and write what's inside of them so you don't forget. I mean, you can go through and open all of the ones that you got, but I'd rather just label them. So, there it is, guys. I hope you enjoyed my first Steam It exclusive. It's not as long as my YouTube videos, but, hey, it's something extra for you guys. So, I hope you enjoy it. Keep following me, and give me some upvotes if you want. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks, guys.